A very good afternoon, students. Student, in my last two videos, I have taught you how to use modal verbs. So today also, we will proceed with modal verbs, more extra modal verbs like would. Generally, students, you know that generally would can be used for the past form of will, like he will come next week. Okay, he will come next week. Here will is used to show the future action, for showing the action, which action is going to be in future. Okay, now would how would is used to show the past form of will. I'll show you this now. I'm going to show you, just focus on this. Okay, I'm using the same subject he. Okay, he thought that he would come. Okay, he thought that he would come. Here he will come. Okay, he will come next week. Here will is used to show the future form, future action, future tense. And here, suppose yesterday he was thinking, he thought. Yesterday means past form, past tense. So he thought, suppose yesterday he was sitting on a chair and he thought, he was thinking, or he thought that he would come. So here would is used to show the past form of will. This is the use of would as the past form of will. Okay, would can be used to offer also. How? Like, would you like me to say you something? Okay, offer. Suppose somebody is in trouble and he needs suggestion. So as a suggestion, I want to say him or her something. So in this case, we can use this sentence. We can use would as to show offer. Okay, would you like me to say you something? Otherwise, you can use would you like me to carry your luggage? We can use would you like me to carry your luggage, means i'm doing offer. Okay, I'm giving offer him that if you like me, I can help you by carrying him or her luggage. Okay, so here we have learned two things, that would can be used for past form of will, otherwise to show offer. Okay, next we'll learn the use of can and could. Students, in my last video I have already taught you that can is used to show our ability or inability. For ability, we can write can, I can do it. For inability, we can write I cannot do it. I can, ability; I cannot means inability. Okay, and could can be used for the past form of can. Okay, like he can solve the problem. Otherwise, for past form, you can use could. Okay, he can solve the problem means it is ability in present form, and could is used as the past form of can. More other usages you can use for suggestion. For suggestion, you can use the modal verb can and could for suggestion also. How? Like he could lend you, he could lend you money. Okay, suppose your relatives came to you for lending or borrowing money, and you don't have money at that moment. At that moment you have don't sufficient money to help you to help you by giving money. You have no enough money. That time you can give suggestion that you can say that he could lend you money or some money. Okay, you can use can also, he can lend you money. So this is showing suggestion. It is here can and could is used for showing suggestion. So in this way the modal verbs can be used. Okay students, I will teach you more modal verbs and their different usages in my next upcoming videos. If you liked my teaching, then you must subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.